We're going to be practicing the difference between two consonant sounds, V and B. Before we begin, we need to distinguish between the name of a letter, V, and the sound of a letter, V. It's important that you look at my mouth to see how I'm creating this sound. I pull in my bottom lip and I put my top teeth on top of my bottom lip. V, V. People who are learning English as a second language might think, he's exaggerating. I don't have to move my mouth like that. But you do. It's the only way to correctly pronounce this sound. Let's compare the letter V to the letter B. The name of the letter is B, and the sound is B. B. V is V, and B is B. V has a V vibration, and B is explosive. They sound very similar, but in English pronunciation, it's important to pronounce them differently. For example, the words very and berry. Both of these words are pronounced exactly the same, except for the beginning consonant sounds. Repeat after me. Very, berry. Very, berry. Let's practice with some more words. Now I'm going to slow down the pronunciation of these words and exaggerate the sounds so you can hear exactly how to pronounce these words correctly. Let's repeat after me. Very, berry. Vote, boat. That, bat. Volt, bolt. Vest, best. Curve, curb. Volleyball, valuable. Evolve, evolution. Eventually. Now I'm going to say these words normally, no exaggeration. Very, berry. Vote, boat. That, bat. Volt, bolt. Vest, best. Curve, curb. Volleyball, valuable. Evolve, evolution, eventually. Now, let's practice some sentences at normal speed. That berry flavor is very good. The blue vest is the best one. How many volts is a lightning bolt? Eventually, she became the most valuable volleyball player. To perfect your pronunciation, you need to practice. I would recommend looking at yourself in the mirror while practicing these words and sentences. In the beginning, exaggerate the pronunciation, and then eventually, say them normally. You will get it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.